Many people believe that carrots are the best food for eye health. For years, people have heard the same advice. Eat more carrots if you want better eyesight. And while carrots do contain nutrients that support the eyes, many people still notice that their vision slowly changes as they get older. After the age of 50, it becomes very common to notice that reading small text is harder than it used to be. Many people begin holding books, menus, or their phone farther away just to see clearly. Others notice that their reading glasses become stronger every few years. Bright lights may start to feel more uncomfortable. Driving at night may become more difficult. Some people notice more glare from headlights, while others say their eyes feel tired and strained much more easily than before. This can be frustrating because many people feel like they are doing everything right. They try to eat healthy. They may even eat carrots regularly. Yet their eyes still seem to be getting worse. What most people do not realize is that age-related vision changes are often caused by much deeper problems than simply not eating enough vitamin A. Inside the eyes, several important changes begin taking place with age. The tiny blood vessels that supply the eyes may no longer deliver as much oxygen and nutrition as they did during younger years. Oxidative stress may slowly increase inside the retina, which is one of the most delicate and sensitive tissues in the body. Inflammation may also begin building over time, especially in people who have poor sleep, high blood sugar, chronic stress, smoking, or too much screen time. As these changes build up, the eyes may become more vulnerable. The retina may not respond to light as effectively. The eyes may dry out more easily. Delicate cells inside the eye may slowly become damaged. This is one reason why so many people over 50 begin noticing blurry vision, eye fatigue, dryness, sensitivity to light, and trouble seeing at night. The surprising part is that one of the most studied natural ingredients for supporting these deeper changes is not a vegetable at all. It is a spice. A spice that has been used for centuries in traditional wellness and is now being researched for its possible effects on circulation, retinal protection, and age-related vision support. That spice is saffron. In today's video, we are going to explore why vision often changes after 50, why carrots are not the whole story, and how saffron may help support healthier eyes naturally. Why vision often declines after 50. To understand why eyesight often changes with age, it helps to understand what the eyes need in order to stay healthy. The eyes are not simple organs. They depend on a constant supply of oxygen, nutrients, moisture, and protection. Healthy vision depends on good blood flow to the eyes. It depends on strong retinal cells that can respond to light. It depends on proper tear production to keep the eyes comfortable and clear. And it depends on antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage. As people get older, each of these systems may begin working less efficiently. Circulation to the eyes may slowly decrease. The eyes are filled with tiny blood vessels, especially around the retina. These vessels carry oxygen and nutrients to the delicate tissues that help us see. Over time, those small blood vessels may become less efficient. Blood may not flow as easily as it once did. When this happens, the retina may not receive all of the support it needs. At the same time, oxidative stress often begins increasing inside the eyes. Oxidative stress happens when unstable molecules, called free radicals, begin damaging the body faster than it can repair itself. The retina is especially vulnerable because it is one of the most active and delicate tissues in the body. Every day, the retina is exposed to light, which naturally creates stress inside the eye. Over many years, this stress may slowly damage the sensitive cells involved in vision. Tear production may also begin falling. This is one reason why dry eyes become much more common after 50. Many people notice that their eyes feel dry, irritated, gritty, or uncomfortable, especially when reading, driving, or using screens. Some medications may make this even worse. Medicines for blood pressure, allergies, sleep, anxiety, or depression may reduce tear production without people realizing it. As the eyes become drier and more sensitive, they may become more easily irritated by bright lights, wind, or long periods of concentration. The retina also becomes more vulnerable with age. The retina is the thin layer at the back of the eye that receives light and sends signals to the brain. Because the retina is so sensitive, even small changes in circulation, oxidative stress, or inflammation may gradually affect how clearly a person sees. At first, the signs may be easy to ignore. Some people notice that they need brighter light to read. Others begin having trouble reading small print. Some feel like their eyes get tired more quickly than they used to. Others notice more glare at night or difficulty seeing clearly while driving. These changes often happen slowly, which is why many people do not realize how much their vision has changed until the problem becomes more obvious. The 3 hidden changes that may be affecting your eyes. Although vision changes can seem complicated, Many age-related eye problems are linked to three hidden changes happening inside the eyes. The first hidden change is weaker circulation. The eyes rely on an enormous network of tiny blood vessels. These vessels bring oxygen and nutrients to the retina and other delicate parts of the eye. As people get older, these tiny blood vessels may become less efficient. Blood may not move through them as easily, especially in people who have high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, high cholesterol, or poor circulation. When the eyes receive less blood flow, they may also receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients. This may contribute to blurry vision, eye fatigue, slower recovery after screen use, or difficulty seeing clearly in dim lighting. The second hidden change is oxidative stress. The retina is one of the most sensitive tissues in the body. It is constantly exposed to light and oxygen, which means it is especially vulnerable to free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that may slowly damage the cells inside the eyes. Over time, this damage may make the retina less able to respond clearly to light. This is one reason why many people notice that bright lights bother them more, their vision seems less sharp, or they have more trouble seeing at night. The third hidden change is inflammation. Many people do not realize that low-level inflammation may affect the eyes just like it affects the rest of the body. Poor diet, high blood sugar, smoking, lack of sleep, and chronic stress may all increase inflammation over time. Inside the eyes, this inflammation may slowly irritate and stress the delicate cells involved in vision. As this continues, the eyes may become more sensitive, more tired, and less able to function as well as they once did. This is important because saffron appears to work across all three of these problems at the same time. Some of the natural compounds inside saffron may help support healthier circulation to the eyes. Others may help protect the retina from oxidative stress. And some may help support a healthier inflammatory balance inside the body. That is why researchers have become increasingly interested in saffron as one of the most promising natural spices for age-related eye support. Why carrots are not the whole story. Carrots absolutely do have a place in a healthy diet, and it would not be accurate to say they are useless for the eyes. Carrots contain beta-carotene, a plant pigment that the body can convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is very important because it helps support normal vision, especially in low light. It also helps maintain the surface of the eyes and supports general eye function. This is one reason carrots became so strongly associated with eye health in the first place. But the problem is that many people hear this message and assume that if their vision is getting worse, the answer must be to eat more carrots. For younger people with very poor nutrition, low vitamin A can absolutely affect vision. However, for most adults over 50, the situation is usually more complex. Most people are not losing vision simply because they are severely deficient in vitamin A. After the age of 50, vision changes are much more often linked to things such as reduced circulation, oxidative stress, inflammation, dryness, and age-related strain on the retina. In other words, the issue is often not just a lack of one vitamin. The deeper problem may involve the tiny blood vessels that feed the eyes, the delicate cells inside the retina, and the long-term wear caused by light exposure, inflammation, and aging. This is why simply eating more carrots may not fully address the deeper reasons that eyesight changes with age. Carrots can still be helpful as part of a healthy diet. They provide nutrients and antioxidants that support the body. But they are not the whole story. And for many people over 50, they are not the most targeted food when it comes to the deeper biological processes affecting the eyes. That is where saffron becomes especially interesting. The spice that may support eye health naturally. Saffron is one of the most unusual and most studied spices when it comes to age-related eye health. It comes from the flower known as Crocus sativus, and it has been used for centuries in cooking, herbal traditions, and traditional medicine. Although most people think of saffron as simply a cooking spice, modern researchers have become interested in it for a completely different reason. Saffron contains several unique natural compounds, especially crocin, quercetin, and safranal. These compounds are what make saffron so special. They have been studied because they appear to affect some of the exact systems involved in age-related vision decline. Some research suggests that saffron may help support circulation to the eyes. Other studies suggest that its compounds may help protect retinal cells from oxidative stress. It may also help support a healthier inflammatory balance inside the body and help the eyes respond more effectively to light. This is what makes saffron different from many other foods. It is not just being discussed because it contains general antioxidants. It is being studied because some of its unique compounds appear to act in very specific ways that may matter for the retina and visual performance. That is why saffron is one of the few spices that has actually attracted attention in research related to age-related eye support. It is not a miracle spice and it does not replace proper eye care. But it is much more than just a traditional remedy with no science behind it. That is why the next part is so important, because understanding how saffron may support vision is what makes this whole topic meaningful. How saffron may support vision. To understand why saffron has gained so much attention, it helps to look at how it may support the eyes through several different mechanisms at the same time. This is one of the main reasons it stands out. Instead of working through only one pathway, saffron may help support multiple systems involved in age-related vision changes. One of the most important ways saffron may help is by supporting circulation to the eyes. The eyes rely on an intricate network of very small blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina. If circulation becomes weaker, the retina may not get all the support it needs. Some research suggests that saffron may help support healthier blood flow. This may be especially important after the age of 50, when circulation often becomes less efficient. Better circulation means the retina may receive more of the oxygen and nourishment it needs to function properly. Another important mechanism is retinal protection. The retina contains extremely delicate light-sensitive cells. These cells help convert light into signals that the brain can interpret as vision. Because these cells are so sensitive, they may gradually become damaged over time by oxidative stress. Crocin and crocitin, two of saffron's key compounds, appear to have antioxidant properties that may help protect these delicate retinal cells. This is important because oxidative stress is one of the main processes involved in age-related damage to the eyes. Saffron may also help support the eyes during bright light exposure and long periods of visual strain. Many people over 50 say their eyes feel tired more quickly than before. Reading, screen use, bright sunlight, and night driving may all become more uncomfortable with time. Some people who use saffron regularly say their eyes feel less tired and more comfortable, especially during daily visual tasks. This may be because saffron appears to help support how the eyes respond to light. Another area of interest is night vision and contrast. Many adults over 50 notice that they can still see during the day, but they begin struggling more at night. Driving after dark may feel harder. Contrast may seem weaker. Dim lighting may become more frustrating. Because saffron may help support the retina's response to light, it has attracted attention among people who want to support night vision and visual comfort in lower light conditions. What makes saffron so interesting is not that it promises some magical overnight transformation. What makes it interesting is that it may help support the exact areas that often become weaker after 50. It may help support circulation, help protect retinal cells, help the eyes cope with light stress, and help maintain healthier visual comfort over time. This does not mean saffron can magically restore eyesight overnight. But it may help support healthier eyes when used consistently, especially when combined with good nutrition, sleep, and regular eye care. The simple daily saffron method. The good news is that using saffron does not require a complicated recipe or large amounts. In fact, because saffron is so concentrated, only a very small amount is needed. One of the easiest ways to use it is as a simple daily drink. Take 2 to 3 strands of saffron and place them into 1 cup of warm water or warm milk. As the saffron sits, the liquid will slowly begin turning a soft golden yellow color. This is a sign that the natural compounds are being released. Allow the saffron to soak for about 10 minutes. If you want, you can add a small pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor or half a teaspoon of honey to make the drink a little smoother and easier to enjoy. Then drink it once a day, preferably in the morning or evening. Some people prefer warm water because it is lighter, while others prefer warm milk because it feels more soothing and satisfying. The important thing is consistency. Because saffron is very concentrated, more is not always better. A few strands are enough. Using very large amounts is unnecessary and may increase the chance of side effects. A small amount used regularly is usually the better approach. What to expect week by week. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting dramatic changes after only a day or two. The eyes usually respond slowly, and natural support works best when it becomes part of a regular routine. During the first week, many people notice that their eyes feel slightly less dry or tired. If your eyes often feel irritated after reading, screen use, or driving, you may begin noticing that they feel a little more comfortable. By the second week, some people notice that reading, screen use, or bright light seems slightly easier on the eyes. The eyes may feel less strained by the end of the day. During the third week, some people notice that brightness and contrast become a little easier, especially in dim lighting or while driving at night. Others may feel that their eyes recover more quickly after long periods of reading or screen use. By the fourth week, when saffron is combined with healthy habits, many people feel that their eyes are less strained overall. The goal is not perfect vision overnight. The goal is to support the eyes gradually over time. Realistic improvement often comes from consistency, not from expecting a miracle after a few days. The habits that damage eyes faster. Even the best spice cannot fully protect the eyes if damaging habits continue every day. One of the biggest problems is too much screen time. Looking at phones, computers, and televisions for hours may increase eye strain and reduce blinking, which can make the eyes feel drier and more tired. Poor sleep is another major problem. The eyes repair and recover during sleep. When sleep is poor, inflammation and eye fatigue may become worse. High blood sugar may also damage the tiny blood vessels that feed the retina. This is one reason why vision problems are more common in people with poorly controlled blood sugar. Smoking is especially harmful because it reduces circulation and increases oxidative stress throughout the body, including inside the eyes. Too much sugar may also increase inflammation and oxidative stress, which may gradually affect the retina and other delicate tissues. Many people also forget about sunlight. Long-term exposure to bright sunlight without proper eye protection may place extra stress on the eyes over time. Wearing sunglasses outdoors is one of the simplest ways to help protect the eyes. The truth is that saffron works best when it is combined with healthier daily habits. Additional foods that support eye health. Saffron may be helpful, but it works even better when it is part of an overall eye-supporting diet. Several other foods contain nutrients that may help protect the eyes as well. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which help support the retina and may help protect the eyes from light-related damage. Berries contain antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fats, which may help support tear production and eye comfort. Eggs are another good source of lutein and other nutrients that support the eyes. Walnuts and flaxseed provide healthy fats and antioxidants that may help support circulation and reduce inflammation. Together, these foods may help support the same systems that saffron is targeting. That is why the best approach is not to depend on one single food, but to build a daily routine that supports the eyes from different angles. When to see an eye doctor. Although natural habits may help support the eyes, there are times when professional medical care is extremely important. You should see an eye doctor if you notice sudden changes in vision, flashes of light, eye pain, rapidly worsening eyesight, dark spots, or loss of side vision. These symptoms may sometimes be a sign of a more serious problem that needs immediate attention. You should also seek medical advice if your vision keeps getting worse even after making healthy changes. Natural support may help the eyes, but it should never replace proper eye exams and professional care. Regular eye checkups become even more important after the age of 50. Conclusion. Many people believe that worsening eyesight is simply a normal part of getting older or that eating more carrots is the only answer. But after 50, vision changes are often linked to deeper problems inside the eyes. Circulation may become weaker. Oxidative stress may increase. The retina may become more vulnerable. Saffron contains unique natural compounds that may help support these systems. It may help support circulation to the eyes, help protect retinal cells, and help the eyes feel more comfortable over time. When combined with healthy habits, proper nutrition, and regular eye care, one small spice may help support healthier, more comfortable vision naturally.